People said this house is haunted. I am not scared. Let's go in. Whoa. The house is trashed. Wait. Why is it daytime in the house? While it's nighttime outside? Let's just explore. What was that? I must get out of here. What the? How did I get here? And now inside the house it's night? Doesn't matter. I need to call 911.
I don't think you want to call 911.
I am doing it anyway. Why did you giggle? And where are you?
I am a ghost, silly.
Wait, why can't I call 911?
There is no service here.
I'm leaving.
He will regret leaving.
Why isn't he texting me or answering me? What was that?
Hello, Katie.
How do you know my name?
Wanna play?
No thanks.
Then.